Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I am going to be telling you guys my final thoughts on this product right here. So this is the Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner. If you didn't check out my first video of me reviewing this product, trying this out, and like my first impressions of it, then I'll leave that link up and through here. I have been trying this product out for about a month now, and basically what I'll be doing now is telling you my final thoughts, how I feel about it, the pros and cons, all of that good stuff. So definitely keep on watching if you want to know more about this product. In the beginning of the month when I started using this product, the reason why I picked this up is because of the specific claims that it made. So definitely with this being a glycolic acid toner, definitely helping brighten the complexion, even skin tone, help with texture, just all kinds of good exfoliating things without being as harsh as a physical exfoliant. As far as those things that I just said goes, it definitely does that. So I definitely noticed more smoothness in my skin texture, as well as my skin is a little bit more brighter than usual, and my skin looks a lot more healthy. The biggest thing though that I noticed was that around my neck area is a lot more smoother, specifically with the texture and the tone in this area. I feel like the complexion in my neck area is brightened. So I do recommend this product as far as for people who are looking for a toner that's going to be more so of a kind of chemical exfoliant in a way, where it's going to help with aging, it's going to help with pigmentation and resurfacing the skin in general. So I definitely recommend it for those things. Another good thing about this product is that it is only $18, which is definitely a good thing. You do get a lot of product in this bottle. It's 8 fluid ounces, and then it also comes in a bigger size as well. It's also double the amount and double the price, so $36 for the 16-ounce bottle. So definitely not bad. So with that being said, I said all of my pros. Let's go ahead and talk about the cons of this product. And the cons aren't really cons, it's just certain situations make this product a quote-unquote con. So let's talk about the first thing that I noticed while using this product. So you definitely do not want to use this product with a cleanser that is more on the exfoliating side. So this is the Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. You guys know that this is my favorite cleanser. Now this cleanser is a gentle exfoliating cleanser. With that being said, what I noticed when I use the glycolic acid toner right after I use this cleansing product, my skin would feel a lot more sensitive, a lot more not necessarily irritated, but it definitely felt like I was on that line of like, okay, you're being a little bit too abrasive with your skin. So whenever I used this cleanser, I did not use this toner. So again, if you are using this product, I definitely would say get a more gentle cleanser. What I have been using in place of this cleanser when I did use this toner is I use the Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser. To be honest, I don't really care for this cleanser, but for purposes of using the toner, I use this cleanser just as something that's not as harsh on my skin paired with this together. I would definitely say avoid pairing this guy up with professional grade products. Of course, you would go to a professional like a esthetician or a dermatologist to see exactly, if this pairs with your medical grade skin care. So definitely check with your dermatologist or your esthetician to see if this will work within your routine. Those quote-unquote cons that I just said are really just specific situations. Of course, that's with any skincare product. Of course, make sure it works within your routine, and also make sure it's good for your skin. And of course, if it's a medical grade product like medical prescription like retinols and things like that, always consult with your dermatologist. Okay, so this Skincare Diaries month was a success. So at the end of the day, would I recommend this product? Definitely I would recommend this product. It's definitely great. So if you haven't tried this already, I do encourage you guys to try this. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried it before, and let us know your thoughts. But yeah guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the month of May, because the month of May is going to be specifically focused on lips, and I'll be trying out this guy right here. I think I told you guys about this already. This is the hydrating lip oil from Burt's Bees. So I'll be trying this product out all month, out in conjunction with other lip care products, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'll have that video up for you guys soon. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys later in my next video.